folks, it was going to be a quick down and dirty one today because like obviously not, you don't need to have all the chat every single day with me blathering on, like, you know, but we're going to see what's happened to the other side of this Vostok Amphibia 090. See you in a minute. So here we have, I've pre-popped the bezel. And basically down the bottom at one end you'll find there's a flap, and you get something in it and it just pings off because it's held on by like a octagonal bead of wire. And you take that, get the click, and there you go. Look at that. Now don't that look the business? No more damage risks to the older thing. What we'll do is we will take a look in the up view. So let's have a look and see what it looks like. Put on. How about that? And it's got a lovely weight to it now. The bezel does move. It turns lovely. It's firm. Now these are £23 from a company called Meranom.com, Meranom.com in Russia. Plus a couple of quid for postage, but they do, I mean, it's taken 2.5 weeks to get here from Russia, which is very, very good. But my word, don't that look the business? I think that's really quite good. I was just thinking to myself, as it stops, it's not, it's because it's upside down, you know. But that has given that watch so much presence, hasn't it? So there you go. Grille Bezel from Meranom.com, fitted to my Vostok 090 Amphibia, and my word, I am so pleased with that. Well done, Meranom. Keep on rocking.